What's up, guys? I'm Patronn here, and we got a special announcement for you guys to make. You guys know we plan a conference, right? Once a year.
The Game Changer.
Exactly. So this year we're gonna step it up a notch a little bit. We're thinking about Miami. All right.
Miami, Florida.
2 days.
Wow.
So the end of the year, sunny, in the winter, and we're talking about how to be a disruptor in the business, in any type of business for that matter. So whether cars, real estate, insurance, whatever. Technology in this case, yes. Social media. So those are the things that, and you want to tell them about you being part of that.
Guys, I'm invited because, number one, we had the last Game Changer event. We knocked it out of the park. But I think we have to take, whatever it is, our business, we got to take it to the next level by disrupting our competition. And we're going to tell you how to do just that at the Game Changer event in Miami.
That's right. So he's going to be part of it, guys. He's always is highly motivated, and he comes in with some good topics that you guys want for the following year if you want to be successful 2020. So definitely check it out. It's going to be on YouTube channel. It's going to be on the website. You want to buy tickets, get your tickets now, all right, because it's going to be a sold-out event. And we took in the 10X, so it's probably going to be double than the size we had last year. So it's big sponsors going on, so you want to be there, and we guarantee everybody to talk to the sponsors. So a lot of deals are going to be there flying in.
Awesome.
I'm excited.
Game Changer event. Let's get disruptive.
Let's go.